Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make fresh tomato salsa. Cue the music. Thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, we're going to make fresh tomato salsa. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got about 4.5 pounds of tomatoes, 2 fresh jalapenos, 2 small onions, 1 large bunch of cilantro, 4 peeled garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt and pepper mix, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Let's start grinding it up. All right, we got all our ingredients. I got my food processor right here. We're going to do this large batch of tomatoes in batches. I'm going to do 2 batches out of this large batch of tomatoes. As you can see from the pictures here, we got a ton of tomatoes from our kids out there at their hobby farm. We got some eggs too and some other produce, but we got so many tomatoes that we had to figure out what to do with them all. So I'm going to make about a ton of salsa here. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding our tomatoes. All of our produce has been washed. I have prepped and skinned our tomatoes, or I'm sorry, I have prepped and peeled the onions and the garlic, and the tomatoes have been washed. So I'm going to go ahead and just pulse these down and get the process started. All right, and we add our garlic. Whoops, half of everything I've got here. 1 onion, put that as well. Pulse those. Some salt and pepper. A tablespoon of that lime juice. Pulse again. 1 jalapeno. I'm going to leave the seeds in because I like the heat. And then of course half of our cilantro. Throw that right in there and pulse that. Alright, there's our salsa. I'm going to go ahead and put this into our jars. I'm going to make the other half of this recipe, and then we're going to come back, we're going to taste this and talk more about it. Don't go away. Give this a taste test. Right away, cilantro, salt, lime, tomatoes, and that jalapeno kind of comes in. So fresh, very delicious. Now this is what we got. This is our yield from this recipe that I posted. It's over on my website at www.itsonlyfood.biz. So this is a gallon. And I got about 2 of these that came with it. So you can enjoy it before you put it into your refrigerator. Make sure it is in something sealed and keep it in your refrigerator for probably up to 2 weeks if it lasts that long. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate kids out there in Buffalo on their hobby farm that gave us all this produce for this. Have a good day. We'll see you again. Stay out of trouble. Bye-bye.